Scientists relying at Edinburgh Zoo are collaborating to build a genetic lab in Cambodia to struggle the illicit elephant ivory trading. Time hard to rescue elephants, they include found elephant ivory of Elspeth who is now dead. In the Wild Genes Lab of the King Zoology Community of Scotland, Dr. Alex Dribble is drill which sounds love a gigantic dental. That is in impact which it is, an ornately cut jumbo incisor. The lab is work in 3 partners in a draft underfunded by the UK by the government's Division for Environmental, Meal and Village Sphere. Along they are house Cambodia's research power to retain its living nature and fight the elephant ivory trading that passes via it. Dr. Dribble's crew has helping set the at first preservation genetic lab in Cambodia. The nation put on an essential path for contraband elephant ivory of Africa and Asia. That mainland the tusks include been kidnapped of can include legislative implications. Elephants are creature decimated in their thousands through Africa, Dr. Dribble says. Of the key things on Cambodia is how we include barely any data on the elephant ivory trading. DNA of tusks is opener such secrets. We can mainly break down downward how dentin and calcium intake and get such cells out the elephant ivory, and later identification the person how grew how incisor, he added. The Wild Genes Lab is the just zoological based pet genetic lab in the UK and one of just a fistful in Europe. The Chief of Preservation and Scientific at the King Zoology Community of Scotland, Dr. Helen Sen, says it acting an essential part. She extended, frequently vanishing kind are rather genetically extraordinary and distinctive and they refuge been treated on up. They're not exciting to medical or agriculture scientific. So we include to evolve Roman methods to, for sample, research pygmy hippos or Yatagan horned gemsbok. But in the job on Khmer elephant ivory samples of production the researchers include unsecured thing though more than exotics, DNA of woolly mammoths. Mammoths are not coded by world agreements on vanishing kind for the unhappy but inevitable cause how they include already been dead for about 10,000 year. It is comparatively lightweight to place the distinction among jumbo and giant tusks. But one day the elephant ivory has been cut in trinkets it is far stronger. To our surprise party, during a tropic nation love Cambodia, we found giant samples of production during the elephant ivory trinkets how our creature sold out, says Dr. Dribble. So the has mainly go of the Arctic Finland, dug out the land or the store owners are inviting it jumbo elephant ivory but we've found out it's in fact giant. Cambodia has among 250 and 500 savage Asiatic elephants of its their own. It is hard to evaluate how so or differently they are is faring, or though how big the people is, as they tend to remain profound during the wild. DNA sample can ensure an understanding there too much, though drill tusks is not an stock option on dwell elephants. Instead of the conservationists include to search out fecal samples of production, DNA of jumbo manure identifies person elephants and so based a image of the full people. African elephants are classed as sensitive, the Asiatic kind is vanishing. The trading in their elephant ivory goes brush in contraband some illicit means love rhinoceros bugle and lizard libra. How is why the partners are evolving more than gene toolkit to assist Cambodia identification some various of smuggling up it is too deceased.